Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving linear equations without a calculator. So we're given this table with data points for our x's and y's, and then we're asked to figure out which of the following best represents the equation of the line represented by this data. So notice all of our options are linear equations. We're told it's an equation of a line. So when you think about linear equations, two important components of that should come to mind. First is the slope. Second is the y-intercept. So let's figure out the slope or the rate of change going on in this table. Easiest place to look is right here. So we're trying to figure out the slope as y goes up by 2, so the delta between 2 and 4 is plus 2. The x goes up by 1. Now slope can be thought of as change in y over change in x, and you've seen the slope formula of this y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you could also do that, but the shortcut is just to look for the pattern in the table, and it comes out to 2 over 1. So that means every time x goes up by 1, y goes up by 2. Now if we want to find the y-intercept of the equation, we want to actually take this point right here and work backwards. So the y-intercept always has an x-coordinate of 0. So if we were looking for this point here with an x of 0, that means going from 1 to 0, we go back 1. That means going from -2 back this way, we would have to subtract 2 more because our slope changes by 2 every time our y value changes by 2 every time the x value changes by 1, and that would give us our y-intercept there. Now we have the slope of 2, so in our slope-intercept form, slope of 2, y-intercept of 4, and that's why it matches up with this first equation here.